here I am driving down the road. Started out by painting cabinets for the second coat. Then finished up some Ashiatu massage bars. They hang on the ceiling. They had to be cut down to wood down to 2.5 inches, 8 foot long, 2 inches apart from the supports on the ceiling, and to find out where the rafters were, to put the location of the bolts, and the bolts all hold it together. Anyway, now on my way to fix an electrical problem in a concession trailer. Then I go to a salon to add a 220 water heater, on-demand water heater, and a water supply line, and maybe some other electrical. Anyway, something came across my mind, and that's about the AI thing. From what I can tell, the AI is a term that started in 1956, so this isn't new. But I haven't heard anything in the way of profits that these companies that are spending. I'm hearing numbers of up to $300 billion. I'm not seeing any return on any of these investors' profits. How are they going to make that money that they're hoping to make with spending that much money and not getting any kind of profit from it? I think ChatGPT 5 or something is marginally better than 4, what I'm hearing. Uses a little less electricity. All I'm knowing is they're literally not making money. They're selling things and money's coming to them, but they're not making as much money as they're spending, not even work close. What kind of business venture is it that you go into and you spend money for 10 years and don't make any money and don't know if you're going to? You just have all the optimism that you're going to. Could it be that all this jibber jabber about AI replacing everybody's job is just all these huge companies have some extra money that was funded by private companies, that they pay these people to come out and say, oh my goodness, we're going to lose, it's so good, we're going to lose all these jobs, everybody's going to be without work. It's kind of advertising, wouldn't you say? What are we going to do if people that have invested in these companies in the stock market and otherwise figure out that they're not making any money? What's that going to do to the stock market? Going to be another bubble, huh? Boom. Like the dot-com bubble. If for sure, all the people surrounding electronic world are good at marketing and putting themselves out there as they're going to change the world. But think about it. The cell phone has improved. How much has it improved in the last 10 years? Yeah, you got, well, this knick-knack and that knick-knack better, but it's still just a cell phone. We can look up things on it, spend time with it, but it hadn't disrupted the world. And this stuff is being made in another country, not even here. So it's not really making this country any money, other than the people that sell it for a higher price than what they pay somebody in China to do it. I don't know. I'm on this negative thing about electronics. It's not like gaming. And there are quite a few games that have come out with, oh my goodness, we're going to make a bunch of money. I don't know. One of the ones that the boys talked about was Cyberpunk. It's going to take forever for that to ever get their money back, if they ever do. There's a bunch of examples where they don't. And these are after years and years of success, making successful games that spend more and more money, and then they end up figuring out ways to lose money. So now we're going to count on AI changing the whole world. It seems, what is that Shakespearean phrase? Much ado about nothing. They are spending a bunch of money. They need to get, when you spend $300 billion or more on something, you need to have world-changing results. The only other companies that I know of that can spend that kind of money and not really change much is military companies, and the government pays for that, so they just make more money, and then not even enough that's being collected from taxes, but they just make more money. Is that what we're going to do with this AI? We're going to let these guys, by the way, nobody's talking about how much water these things use, not counting the grid. They're going to have their own power supply, and all of a sudden now it's viable to make small nuclear plants, but you couldn't get a nuclear plant to go through, period, before, but now you can. Small nuclear plants made by non-government officials, just people that are private individuals, and these things use tons of water. I have my very serious doubt about AI surviving at all, because it's not making money. Forget about robots and all that stuff. Then you got to think about how much it takes. 10 years to set up a copper mine. 10 years. A nickel mine. Any kind of mine, it's going to take nearly 10 years to set up, to get the infrastructure set up and get it all going. This is not happening anytime soon, guys. I mean, we'll see. I've been wrong before, but I try not to be wrong a lot. I just have my criticism of these guys. I just don't believe in it. But hey, I wish them all the best. See ya.